Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can message someone on Grindr. Keep watching the video till the end. To message someone on Grindr, firstly go ahead and open up your Grindr application. The home page of Grindr application will appear on the screen. Click on the block of a person to whom you want to send a message. On the next page, type in a message on Say Something section and tap on Send. This is how you can message someone on Grindr application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.